And moving on, Aam Aadmi Party MLA Atishi Marlena has said that the Delhi government may have to halt the vaccination drive for the age category from 18 to 44 as Delhi is running out of vaccinations. In all probability, they will do it starting Monday. And out of the inoculation centers that were set up, close to 400, more than 200 that have already been stopped given the shortage of vaccinations. Let's listen into what she's saying.
आज के दिन में जो हमारी कैपेसिटी है 18 to 44 की वैक्सीनेशन की, वो बहुत घट गई है क्योंकि अब हमारे पास सप्लाई बहुत कम है। तो जब हमने 18 to 44 की वैक्सीनेशन शुरू की थी तो वो 99 स्कूल्स में 368 साइट्स पे चल रही थी। कोवैक्सीन की सप्लाई खत्म होने के बाद और कोविशील्ड की भी सप्लाई अब तकरीबन खत्म हो गई है। अब हमारे पास वैक्सीन जो 18 to 44 के लिए आज एडमिनिस्टर हो रही है वो सिर्फ 46 स्कूल्स में 133 साइट्स पे हो रही है। इसका मतलब कि पिछले एक हफ्ते में 235 वैक्सीनेशन साइट्स 18 to 44 के लिए हमें बंद करनी पड़ी।
I want to bring in my colleague Anuj, who's tracking all the details on the ground. Anuj, the vaccination drive needs to continue. More and more people need to be vaccinated, and that goes without saying. But the Delhi government citing a shortage of vaccines. What's the situation on the ground?
Well, exactly. If we talk about the current situation, then this was something which was stated by Aam Aadmi Party MLA, that's Atishi. She mentioned it very much clearly that out of 368, this is 235 inoculation center which has been already closed because they do not have the proper vaccination. Like the stock is out now, the vaccine has been already used. Let me remind you that since from the day one, Aam Aadmi Party is asking for the vaccination and telling the central also about the current situation and what exactly is going to be the quantity of the vaccine that the Delhi would be required or the national capital would be requiring. But on the other hand, yes, now this is Aam Aadmi Party MLA Atishi who is making it very much clear that what exactly the situation on the ground level is, because we do understand. If we talk about the population in Delhi, comparing to that, Aam Aadmi Party came out with the data where they mentioned about the numbers of vaccines they would be required on the monthly basis, on the weekly basis, and the daily basis. So that is something what we are saying, that is something what we have been told, but we need to understand the importance of vaccine on the ground, because this is something which has been monitored by the center, whether being it about the national capital or whether being it about the other state of the country. They have been continuously requesting the center to provide more and more vaccine, because vaccination is the mantra. That is something which has been understood and has been floated, or rather been told to the people of the country, and that's something on which center is also working. We do understand that Covishield and Covaxin are the important vaccination which is going on in the country, and that is the country made. That's why we are more focused after the testing of the both the vaccination. But on the other hand, the importance of the time is to go with the vaccine. There is to see what exactly will be happening, what exactly will be coming out when we talk about the current situation. But because this is something which has been reported to the center also, and as Aam Aadmi Party is making it clear, earlier also we have seen Arvind Kejriwal coming out with the numbers of vaccine that is required for the national capital. Earlier we have seen Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia coming out with the same kind of data, that what exactly will be the number when we talk about the vaccine that is required in the national capital. So that is something which has to be seen, what exactly will be the response of the center on the same. But yes, if we talk about the national capital, then this exactly is the situation that from Monday.
And let's not forget, Anuj, that Delhi is one of the worst hit cities, even as per the last news briefing by the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who said that even now ICU beds that continue to be occupied in full capacity. So Delhi really needs to be vaccinated on priority.